Welcome back, all you beautiful iPhone 11 owners. The year is 2022, and there are still a lot of things that Apple is still providing you if you actually own an iPhone 11. Now, there was a service repair program that happened a couple of years ago in 2020, and what happened was a lot of these iPhone 11s actually ended up having some display issues. So pretty much any iPhone 11s that were made from November 2019 up to May of 2020 could have actually been affected by one of these display issues. So what was this issue? Pretty much the touchscreen would randomly not work, or there would be some inconsistencies in the screen itself. Now, if you experience those things and your iPhone is in between those, date ranges, well, you could actually probably get your iPhone fixed or repaired or even, replaced completely for free. So what I would recommend doing is in the description, there is a link to Apple's own service repair program, and what you can do is you can actually go ahead and make your way over to that page just like how you see on the screen, and you can go ahead and type in your serial number for your iPhone 11. And what I would recommend doing as soon as you watch this video, because I don't know when this service repair program is going to go out, I would recommend making your way over to this website, typing in your serial number, or you can search up Apple service repair programs and go that way too. And what you want to do is you want to actually submit the serial number of your iPhone 11, and you want to see if your iPhone 11 is able to be replaced. If it is, then all you have to do is go ahead and send your iPhone to Apple, and they'll go and replace it or fix it for free. Now, if you're somebody who actually submits their thing and you're not able to go ahead and get it replaced or anything, well, you're perfectly set then. That means your iPhone didn't have this issue and you can pretty much move on with your life. But there are a lot of people who are purchasing iPhone 11s in the used market, or maybe they had an iPhone 11 from a long time ago and maybe they never made their way over to this website. And if you're one of those people, I would recommend doing that just so you can actually make sure that your iPhone is set and hopefully it doesn't have any issues from there. Like I mentioned, if your iPhone does have these issues and if it's an iPhone 11 specifically, you can go ahead and send it to Apple, or you can even make your way over to the Apple store, your local Apple store, and have them take a look at your iPhone as well, just in case you're having this issue. That way they can replace it in store for you as well. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.